Kajingalang bat jingiasyllok kam ka kyrtong MP Lok Sabha na Shlong Parliamentary Seat ka Kong Ampareen lingdo bat nongialam kumju kinongkit kam ka National People's Party NPP na Riulm Jaintia kalalong ha State Convention Center ha kalaipaw tarik na iwing. Ha kani kajingalang lasakhi ba kinongialam ka NPP bat kinongkit kam kilami siya kamat bat ay kajingkarsyan ka bapura ya ka Kong Ampareen lingdo. Ha kani kajingalang ladan lang ki MLA bat MDC ka Riulm Jaintia ki barim bat ki bamenta kentup ya umas nya bahalang dhar menteri ka sarkar jilla uma coming one emban ki MLA uma Syllad miki Syllad ka kong Santa Mary Syllad bat ki MDC ka JHADC. Ha kani kajingalang dakawe ka sur kilarai banyatre lang ban Punjab dan buram ya ka Kong Ampareen ha ka election MP Lok Sabha ka Banwan. Syuk hadian kajingalang ka Kong Ampareen kalaya keren bat kinong thok khubor halor ka jingshim kabu ki sengsan perthai ban kan thok ya ka halor ka jersey thongkam. Ka Kong Ampareen kala ongru bakam pat shim la syak pengat ni syak rai penram ha ka bayadai bat kani ka kes ka badang dan menta hapok ka jingshim bishar hapok ka ying bishar. Ha ka jingshisha kan amlong ban keren halor kani ka benta Hendray ngampat jusya pengat satya ha kanu ka camp. Ai bagi parti san hima kin shim kabu ya kani bat ban penman ya kani kum ka ba ngalasya pengat. Kajing shisha kalong halor ya baro bat yang halor kata. Nganam la ban keren palat nalor kani Hendray ngangait ba kajing shisha hi kan sapau. Ka Kong Ampareen kalaong bakalalong ka bapen kre ban pen ki win hadelhi ban pen trekam ya ka line permit bat kumju ya ka amendment bill jong ka MRSSA.
I am going to work hard to cut across party lines. Try to garner support of women, try to garner support of young people, try to have this balanced view of religion. All religions are equal in the state of Meghalaya. We should take that forward and we should not say that X, Y, Z parties are linked to this, this and this. We will work hard to also make sure that that is also dispelled in these elections. We will try to cut across party lines. The case is now being currently heard in the courts. It would be sub judice on my part to speak about it. However, I would like to say and place on record, the case is well being heard in the courts. I have never at any point of time been convicted. Let no political party take advantage of this and make it look like I have been convicted. The truth will reign supreme. I stand by that. I will not speak more, but I am confident that the truth will emerge as it is. Do not use it, because at one point of time, there will be repercussions of all of this. I will not speak more. No man is guilty until proven otherwise. Use it, throw that ball around. I am not afraid, because I'm doing greater things. And when I go to court, I know what is being discussed, not the man on the street or the politician who will be trying to bat with that with me. I'm ready. I'll take you on. The arngot ki longkmi hakawan bat katu Meghalaya seat ngasngaw kalapan ilupa baki kantay jongi kiladay lupa kibaklan kajing mut kajing pakat kibaklan kajing yele kibadon kajing la banyele bat nga ngasngaw nginom siya kum kajela wat pet yangi arngot kum kita kilong kmi kibakapati kapenmi nang manginyo mangi banya khana banya da banya kren bat nga ngasngaw kajing thambor jom kantay kadai kawai ka agenda kabadang yai ja wat ha kajela ka jongi bro bat ngin pet ngori gani ka kam ban pen ba nginom siya bakanja kat balae saudang jong kajela. State government haga jingialam command jong party NPP. Honorable Chief Minister jungi, ki Honorable Deputies Chief Ministers ki jungi, ki Council of Ministers, ki claim no kini ki issues. Pim la ban muddur, tang namar don baya khana balaklat ki issues, baka sarkar jila kanum shim kini ki issues ban pet baki long do long snam. Hakabayadai ban ka amendment of the 6th schedule ngiru kum ka party bat ka sarkar lang baro ki party baro ki badan hakin ka sarkar ilaya menjur lang bangi hap ban yo ya kata bakan ja ngiap ban penklan ya katanat jo ka district council saudong jong ka jella ka jongi ngi ladep kubur lang laya syong jingya lang lang ka sudai ba ya ka mata ka parliamentary standing committee kalara ya ka kaipot jong ka sa parliament ban ngin bot din ya kata yo pi mudul baka MP ne UMP kila ban penlong do penlong snam yiki issues jong ka state kalong ka babakla lada PJ yang kum ka candidate MP ka sarkar jong ni kan ai bor yang nga ban ya kren ya kani ka kam om tang ha parliament henry wat haki office sarkar ki bahe namar pinda pe ye kini ke agenda ki ja lenti no haki departments ki boper ka 6th schedule ipa jonga late ba pita mar banyang bam kwai hadwaru blay idon ha parliament ha ka por ba ka don ka amendment jong ka 8th schedule but ha ka ta ka por ilayo pan ai bantalem bakaladai ka por ya ka ri india bakan itho lem ya ki kentin jong kinong snong ki barit pa abapi ong bapin protect ya ka interest jong ki breu jong ki barit pa pet bapi pet ya ka tin ka telit ai boringi itho no ya ka pet bapin pet ya ka culture ka jongi itho no ya ka ai bor no yangi bat ngin ya sa ya kita ki batmu ban pembor ya kata ban tuklar ye ki kam district councils jongi ban tuklar ye ki kam ki baya ha par ka culture ka jongi da kino ki tenat rekam jongi no ki political parties kumba kalong menta kadon kata ka jing ya kren badai ban banum ai tribal status ye kita nga ong ipi ka district council kadai ka council ka bala penkamti lemba ka yele election ban pet ya kata kam tinggi dei ban ya da ngin ya tre rengkat namar ki MPs ki hap ban bot den ki shong ha Delhi kadai ke duty ke jongki ban let aku gi cakap ngidon kam ban bot den ni kita bat ka party ke jongi ka sim ya karai la katukat nehi bakan bot den ni gini issues. The NPP is very clear. Number one, consolidate on a vote bank for the party in one Shillong parliamentary seat. Number two, carry forward all agendas and issues that have been left pending for quite some time, which could be well handled by the MP in the event of a win. Number three, we need now to cut across party lines, and if I can do that on behalf of my party, it would be a big privilege and an honor for me. So these are the three main agendas. Take the flag of the NPP forward. To perspective, with as far as the ILP is concerned, we must not dislocate the one fact where 60 MLAs jointly signed a memorandum to the government of India. At that point of time, party flags were put aside. All leaders in the Legislative Assembly put forward their agreement to have the implementation of the ILP. Unfortunately, it was always the state government who was rallying along with the MP of Tura seat of the state of Meghalaya. Now I will join hands with the government, with Tura MP and myself, and believe me, we'll make a ruckus. They have to take a decision. I can tell you one thing. We will speak not just in the House, in Parliament. We will create and generate a focus on this agenda. We have sat across the table. I have read all of the follow-up dialogues and discussions that the NPP, MDA1 had with stakeholders. I have read the report thoroughly. I know what was being said then. We will follow through on the ILP agenda with the same spirit. We cannot move away from what was discussed with all stakeholders. You have already seen the MDA1 has already announced for the implementation of the MRSSA in its new version. There were things that were talked about with the MRSSA in the previous regimes, but the MDA1 had gone ahead to look at the implementation of the MRSSA in a new approach. I will stick with what the government says. I will not deviate from what the government has said and committed alongside the NGOs. We will work together on this. There was a problem with the assent of this bill. That has also been sorted. It looks like we are well ahead of the implementation of the ILP. The ILP, in my understanding, has many formulas for implementation. And if in the state of Meghalaya, the MRSSA is an acceptable idea, we go ahead, we get the necessary nods as per directions of the state government with the central government and make sure it sees the light of day.